Okay, we'll look at the second method, second part of the problem, that is method of bisection to get every eighth point on curve. So hope you remember the theory part of method of bisection. So let me draw that. So what we are doing is, we will divide the long chord into two. We will calculate the mid ordinate. Okay, so join this T1 mid ordinate and T2. Again, the mid ordinate of this point is calculated. Join these 2 points. Again, midpoint of this point, this line is calculated. Okay, now we will join the apex of all points to get the curve. So this is the method of bisection. So the very first step is to calculate the mid ordinate of the long chord. Okay, so that mid ordinate or central ordinate at D, central ordinate at D is calculated from the equation R into 1 minus cos delta by 2. This is the equation to find the mid ordinate M, right? R into 1 minus cos delta by 2. So you remember the value R, 200 into 1 minus cos 45 by 2, and you will get it as 15.22 meters. Now you need to calculate the ordinate at D1. Okay, so ordinate at D1 is equal to, again the equation remains the same, 1 minus cos, instead of delta by 2 it is delta by 4. So it is 200 into 1 minus cos 45 by 4, and the value is 3.84 meters. Now you need to calculate the ordinate at D2. Where is D2? This point, this point, this one, and this one. That is D2. So ordinate at D2 is equal to, equation remains the same, delta by 8 will come. Okay, when you substitute you will get it as 0.96 meters. Okay, so this is a long chord. Let me draw the curve first to get a good shape. So what we are doing is, first we will draw the long chord from T1 to T2, mark the midpoint as D, get the mid ordinate R into 1 minus cos delta by 2. Join these two. Okay, now mark the midpoint here as D1. This is D1. Find the mid ordinate of that subchord. Join these two. Okay, now again another line is there. Okay, divide that. That is D2, 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 D2. Again find the mid ordinate of that line. Join these. So this is what we have found. So you got the points here, first point, second point, third point, fourth, apex, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. all these points, when we join together, you will get the curve. Okay, this is the concept behind method of bisection. Hope it's clear to you.